Okay, let's get started. So in the last session, what we did is we created this Windows 10 virtual machine. Why we have created this machine? This machine is a test machine wherein we will be enrolling this machine with Intune, and from Intune we'll be supplying policies, application updates to this machine so that we will get more clear picture how the things are done in production environment. Okay. Now, here it is saying login, right? So we don't have to log in here. We will log in later on. Okay. Now before we log into this machine, we have to take snapshot. Snapshot is what? Snapshot is like a backup of the machine. In case something goes wrong later on, we can come back to this stage anytime in the future. Okay. So we need to take snapshot. So how do we take snapshot? Right click on the machine. At the left hand side, you have WINVM001. Right click and then choose snapshot and then choose take snapshot and type in the name of the snapshot as blank machine. Blank machine. So we haven't logged into this machine. It's a blank new machine. So click on take snapshot. It's gonna take a few minutes for a snapshot to complete. Okay, the snapshot is now taken. Now what we have to do is we are going to um, take Intune subscription. Okay, so there are various subscription which you can take it. Let's go to Google Chrome browser and type in the Google, type in Intune license. Intune license. Intune license, and yeah, scroll down a little bit and you will see Microsoft website which says licenses available for Microsoft Intune. Yeah, click on that. So on this website, this is Microsoft website, guys. Okay, that talks about Microsoft licensing, Microsoft Intune licensing, basically. So there are many types of licenses. Okay, the first license is the standard license, as you see this one, Microsoft Intune Plan 1. Okay, so Microsoft Intune Plan 1. Basically, we need this license. Now, this license is part of other licenses. So, if you have Microsoft 365 E3, E5, E3, or Enterprise Mobility plus Security, so it's already a part, it's already included um, in these licenses. So generally in production environment, people take this one, Microsoft 365 E5 or E3. Okay, this is the most expensive one. It will cost you
మామూలుగా
around.
వస్తుంది నా హెడ్ ఫోన్స్ ఆన్ ఉన్నాయి అండ్ దెన్ నేను బెటర్
So I am getting background noise. Okay, so this one, Microsoft 365 E5, is gonna cost you somewhere around 5,000 Indian rupees. Okay, E5 is the most expensive one. So in production environment, people take this one, either E5 or E3. So we are going to take this one, Microsoft 365 E3. So let me go to a different website and type in Microsoft 365 E5 license cost. Okay, so Microsoft 365 enterprise plan for your organization, and E5 license is gonna cost you, as you see, it's gonna cost you 54.75 US dollar per user per month. Okay, and in this one, the taxes are not included here. So if you add the taxes, it will go around 65 US dollar. Okay, so this is the most expensive one. Okay, and many things are included in this one. But we will take this one, which is Microsoft 365 E3. Okay, because why we are going to take this one? Because we have this option called try free for 1 month. In E5, we don't have free trial option. Okay, that's the reason we are going to take this one. So in Google, you can type in Microsoft 365 E3 free trial, or you can click on this link which says try free for 1 month. So let's click on try free for 1 month. Okay, so when you come to this page wherein it says try free for 1 month, so how many people is uh, this for? So we need only one license, right? Let me scroll down. Choose the length of your subscription, 1 month. How often you, so monthly billing will be there. Your order summary, your details after your just will be built. July. So details of your order after your trial ends. So your trial will end on 19th of July next month. Okay. So after your trial is over, you will have to pay 40.50 dollar. Okay. So what we will do, we will cancel the subscription before the trial ends so that we will not have to pay anything. Okay. So payment due today, nothing, zero. We don't have to make any payment today. That's zero. After the trial ends, it will become 1 month paid subscription. You won't be charged if you cancel before July 19th. Okay, so we will not be charged before 19th of July. Okay, so let's click on next. Now you have to enter your email address. Type in your email address.
Does it have to be Microsoft email or Outlook or Gmail is fine?
Any email address. Wait, so pick one square that shows two identical objects. So this one, and then the second one, I think this one. Okay. Now, so it says looks like you need to create a new account. Let's get you started. Now, if you already created your account in the past, okay, then it will not allow you to use the same email address. Okay, it will say login with that email address. Your account already exists. So make sure you choose a new email address, a new phone number, a new credit card or debit card. Because if you use any previous details, then it will not allow you to create your uh, account here. Okay, so I'll click on setup account. Now here you have to enter your first name, middle name, last name. So type in, wait. Don't do it like this. Delete, company name, delete. Type in anything of your choice, like ABC or HCL or IBM, just a type in anything of your choice. Yeah. Hmm. Company size. Choose one person. Hmm. Business phone number. You need to enter your phone number. Job title. Job title, you can put uh, uh, IT analyst. Then you have to enter your address details. So each one of you will have to create your subscription, Microsoft 365 E3 subscription. And you have to give the details properly, otherwise it will not accept. Next. Okay, wait a minute. Here you have username as your first name and last name together. It's a, it's like big username. So put it only first name like Hamid. Hmm. Now, domain, domain is like your brand name. If somebody has already taken Intune training, you cannot take the same name. You will have to have something else. So Intune training 668. So instead of this long name, type INT TRN, Intune training, INT TRN 68. Let's see if that is available or not. Click on save. So that's available. Okay. So your username is going to be Hamid at INTTRN68. Now choose a password of your choice, anything of your choice, but make a note of this password on your mobile phone somewhere. Confirm password. Click on next. Now it's going to take you to enter your card details. Wait, don't enter anything here. Wait, don't enter anything. First of all, you have to make a note of your password on your mobile phone or somewhere else so that you remember the Intune. So what is the username you have? It is Hamid at INTTRN68. Hamid at INTTRN68. 68 dot on Microsoft. So that's your Intune username. And you will enter the password later on and save this information so that you remember it. Okay. Hamid at inttrn68 dot on Microsoft.com. Now you have to enter your credit card or debit card, but I would suggest you to enter your credit card if you have, but don't type in now. Those who are in India, you need to have, you will have only two options, I think, Visa or Mastercard, right? So make sure you have either debit card or credit card. If you have credit card, then it is better. So you have to enter your credit card number, security code from the back of the card, then expiration month and year. Then you have to give the name on the card and city and everything. Then it will take you to the bank website, wherein it will ask you to um, enter the verification code, which will be sent on your mobile, like OTP. It will deduct somewhere around 2 rupees. Okay. But that amount will come back to your account again. So just for verification, it is gonna ask you, it's gonna charge you 2 rupees, and then it will come back. Okay. Now, Hamid, you stop sharing, and then enter your card details and put all the details properly, and then go to the next page. So first you stop sharing so that we don't see your uh, crucial information.
Meanwhile,
First,
can you please share this link so we can also buy the subscription?
which link?
Uh,
Sure.
I'm not getting that proper link to get the E3 license.
Okay, Microsoft E3 subs free trial. Yeah, somebody sent. Hamid sent, I think. Yeah. Yeah. So
Uh, Kashif,
you
my VMware is stuck in somewhere, so like I wanted to share my screen and I wanted to
hmm,
connect it.
share your screen.
Can you share my screen?
Share your screen.
Yeah. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah. So when I'm entering
Did
this
you
one,
did you build the machine yesterday already or not yet?
not yet. Today I have built by
Hmm.
following the video.
Hmm.
So
Enter.
this is, and again it is coming
Okay.
up like
Power
this.
off. Power off. Right click on the machine and power off.
I did it
Power off.
multiple times, but again,
1 minute.
okay.
Now click on edit virtual machine setting. Click on CD DVD. Okay. Cancel or click OK. Sorry. Click OK. Now click on power on this virtual machine. Simply. Just click on power on. Wait. Yeah. Startup guest.
Startup guest.
Hmm.
Okay.
Click OK. Click inside. Click inside. Just
It's automatically.
yeah, click inside and press any key quickly. Okay. You did not click actually. You will have to do it again. Power off, power on again. Right click on the machine. Power off. Hmm. Now click on power on this virtual machine.
As a guest.
Hmm. Now click inside. Click OK and click inside. Uh, click inside. Click inside. Click. Just click on the black. You click
Yes.
and press any key. You're
And
not
I'm
clicking.
pressing enter key.
But you haven't clicked inside. The mouse is not yet clicked inside. First you have to click the on the black window.
Inside this one.
No. You just have to, yeah, now you clicked. Then your mouse is gone, right? You can't see your
Yeah,
mouse.
yeah,
So
yeah,
first you
yes.
click inside so that your mouse is gone, and then you press any key. Yeah, and you have to do it quickly. Got it?
Yeah, yeah. So my mouse is here and I'm
Yeah,
pressing.
press any key. Keep pressing any key. Keep pressing any key. There you go. Okay, you'll be able to do it now.
Okay. Shall I stop my screen, right?
Hmm. Hamid, what is your status?
I was able to purchase the subscription.
Share your screen again, Hamid. So this is how you take the subscription. You have to enter your details, email address, phone number, credit card, and then uh, you'll be able to take the subscription. So here, as you see, the uh, you used credit card or debit card, Ahmed?
Credit.
Credit card. Okay. So the subscription is done. Now you need to click on next. So this is your email address. Excuse me. This is your Intune user ID. So all the time you have to use this account to log into Intune. Hamed at intrn68.onmicrosoft.com. Now it's asking you to um, secure your account. So basically, we need multi-factor authentication. Okay, for security reason, it is mandatory now. So on your mobile phone, Hamid, if you have Android or iPhone, you need to download one application called Microsoft Authenticator on your mobile phone. Everyone download this application on your mobile phone. Microsoft Authenticator.
I have it, Caution.
You already have it?
Yeah.
Is it like you are using for your organization?
Yeah.
Okay, no worries. So on that Authenticator application, when you open an Authenticator application, right?
Mm-hmm.
On the top, you have plus sign, right?
Yeah.
So when you choose that, you have personal or work. So choose work or school account or use scan a QR code. So you will
Okay.
have scan a QR code option. So here you need to click on next and then next and then next. So scan this QR code
Okay.
from your mobile phone.
It's done.
Done. Then we
Oh,
need to go next. It's gonna give you a number on this. Yeah, you have to enter this 64 on your mobile phone so that the account will be set up properly. So notification approved, next and done. So this is multi-factor authentication, guys, which everyone you will have to do it yourself. Okay, and check this box, do not show this message again, and yes. Okay, so we are all done. Now the subscription, your paid subscription starts on 19th, after 19th of July. Okay, so we have taken what? We have taken the subscription. Let me make a note here. So today, what we have done today is 20th June topics. Point number 1, take Microsoft 365 E3 license. Now, why did we take this one? We took this one because Intune is part of this Microsoft 365 E3 license. And this has other license as well, like you will be able to activate Office product, you will be able to activate your virtual machine as well. So um, it has many other license, including Intune license. So Microsoft 365 E3 license we have taken. That is uh, that is done, right? Take Microsoft E3 license. Now here, what we will do, we will extend the license for one more month because we got free trial license only for 1 month, 30 days. So we are going to extend that for another 30 days. So extend free trial, free trial license for 1 more month. Okay. So the license which we have received, it is only for 30 days. But 30 days, our training is for 45 days. Okay. So we will not be able to cover all the topics. Our license will get expired. So what we are going to do is we are going to extend the free trial license for 1 more month. So let's do that. So when you scroll down a little bit, you see this is your user ID. Make sure you save this user name, otherwise you will not be able to recover it. So Hamid at inttrn68.onmicrosoft.com, that's your Intune username, and you will have to save the password as well on your mobile phone somewhere. Make sure you do that, guys, everyone. Now down at the bottom we have this option called start using Microsoft 365. So I'm going to click on that. When you go there, it's going to take you to this portal called admin.microsoft.com. Now what is this admin.microsoft.com? Can you close this meeting, Amit, the other notepad one? I close this one as well. Done. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have gone to this website called admin.microsoft.com. Okay, so point number 3 is overview of below websites. Okay, now first website is admin.microsoft.com. Second website is intra.microsoft.com, and the third website is intune.microsoft.com. There are 3 websites. Every day you have to be on these 3 portals. Okay, now one by one I'm gonna let you know what all these websites are. Why do we need it? Admin.microsoft.com website is for what? This is your MS 365 admin center. This website is MS 365 admin center, Microsoft 365 admin center for license management. For license management. So when you have to assign license or revoke license, you come to this website. Okay. When you have to make payment to Microsoft, okay, you come to this website. So as you see here, this is Microsoft 365 admin center. The portal address is admin.microsoft.com. Now in here you have, right now we have only one user, right? Only one user, that is Hamid. Okay. So when I scroll down, as you see, Hamid. Okay, this is your user name and this is the user ID. And that user has Microsoft 365 E3 license. Only one user is there. Okay. Now, organization name is Intune Training. Now we have to extend the license from for one more month, right? That's the step which we have to do. So let's go to billing at the left hand side. In billing, you have your products. Now in here you see that this license, Microsoft Entra ID free. Okay. Now this license, how many licenses we have? Total 25 license we received. Okay. Total we got 25 license. Got it? So in free trial we get 25 license. Out of 25 license we have consumed one license because the user account which we choose to create the account, that user gets license by default. So Hamid received this license. Okay, so one license we have consumed out of 25 license, so 24 license is available now. Now we are going to extend the subscription for one more month, so let's click on that and we will see the expiration date. As you see, expiration date is 19th July. Okay, 19th July. Now we will extend the trial for one more month. Okay, so let's click on extend trial end date. You can extend your trial only once for 30 days. Yes, fine. So we will extend that one, extend trial. So for 60 days, we don't have to make any payment. So free of cost for 60 days. So we have, there is a pending transaction on this complete. Okay, so We have extended the subscription, but it is not yet completed. It's pending. So you'll have to wait for a few seconds. Let me refresh the page to see if that makes any changes. There is a pending transaction on the subscription and it will be completed in a couple of minutes until it's complete. Some tasks of subscription are not available. Okay.
Kashif, this is American Express, so it may take some time.
American Express. Okay.
I used MasterCard. It also says the same thing.
Yeah,
So
it's done.
they
It's
should
done.
let you.
It's done. As you see, now the subscription is going to get expired in the month of August, 19th of August. Is that clear, everyone? So this is how you extend your subscription. Now, the most important point here is you have extended your subscription for 2 months. I mean, for one more month. So total you have 60 days from now, free trial, 60 days. Okay. From today, you can utilize this without any charge for 60 days. Now you have to cancel your subscription when? On 18th of August, one day before your subscription ends. Otherwise, you will have to pay for it. Okay, and the charges is around, I think it is around 35 or $30. Uh, so that's gonna charge you from your credit card automatically. So cancel your subscription before it gets expired. Otherwise, you will have to pay for it and it will charge you automatically. So set an alarm on your mobile phone, Hamid and everyone. Set a reminder on your mobile phone that you need to cancel your subscription on 18th of August. You do it now. Otherwise, you might forget and it will charge you from your credit card. Okay, so on 18th of August, you come back here on this website and choose cancel subscription. Okay, click on cancel subscription and choose cancel subscription. Not now, but on 18th of August. Hamid, have you set a reminder on your mobile phone? And everyone?
Yes. Yes, Kashif.
Okay, so make sure you do this. Okay, so that you set a reminder on your you know on other mobile as well, in case if this mobile is lost or not working, you can uh, basically you need to get the notification on 18th of August to cancel the subscription. Okay, so that way we will not pay anything to Microsoft. Otherwise, Microsoft is going to charge you from your credit card automatically. That I have seen from many student complaining that it got charged. So 18th of August, make sure you cancel this. Now this website is for license management. As you see here, when you come to your products under billing, you see Microsoft 365, one license. There are total 25 license and 24 is available. When you come to this Microsoft 365 and what all products are included in this one. So let's see. Can we see the list of products? Okay, it's not available. Let's go to user at the left hand side. Users and active user. Okay, so this user has license, Microsoft 365 E3 license. So if I click on this username, okay, and go to licenses and apps, you will be able to see that this user has this license. And in this license, there are 50 products which you can utilize. So below 50, as you see apps, let me click on this drop down to see the list. So you have various products, okay, which are being covered in this license. So if you have this license, you will be able to utilize these 50 products, okay. and Intune is one of them. Let's verify. Microsoft Intune should be part of this one. Yeah, there you go. As you see, Microsoft Intune Plan 1. Okay, so Microsoft Intune Plan 1 is the one which we need basically here. And you will be able to utilize other products apart from Intune, like Microsoft Loop, Microsoft Search, right? Office, okay, Power BI, Windows 10 Enterprise. You will be able to activate your Windows 10 machine as well. Windows Auto Patch, right? The various options are available. You have this option called Windows Update for business deployment services, so that you will be able to deploy Windows Update as well to your target machines. So there are many things which are included in this one. So now I'm going to close this. So if you would like to assign or revoke license, you can come to this website and you can assign and revoke license. For example, if you come to this, go to licenses and apps, and you can uncheck this box to revoke license, okay, which I'm not going to do now. Now the second website, let's go to the second website, and that is entra.microsoft.com. Now what is this website? So entra.microsoft.com, and use the same username and password to log into these three websites. So make sure at the right hand side it's the same username, Hamid at inttrn68.microsoft.com. Okay, so this account is a global administrator account, a high privilege account. This has all the permission, right? Now at the left hand side, you have user, and when you click on that all user, you will be able to see all the user. Now what is this website? This website is your database. This is basically a database which contains your user information, your device information, your security groups information, and this is going to authenticate the username and password. Whenever somebody is entering the username and password from anywhere, this is going to validate and authenticate. So for example, this account you are using, right, Hamid, right now. So if you would like to see the sign in logs here, that's going to show you whether this uh, whether the username and password was entered correctly or not. You see, success, interrupted, success. So this is authentication. This is basically the authentication website wherein your employees will be using their username and password, and the authentication will happen from this website. This is like a database which contains your user information, your device, groups, domain, and authentication, uh, you know, will happen from this website. If user enters wrong username and password, then it will not allow user to access the resources. It will uh, not allow user to log in. So this is basically this website is like Active Directory. Those who are familiar with Active Directory, this is the cloud-based Active Directory website, guys. Okay, this site is for user and device authentication. Okay, now the last website is this site is for managing device and applications. So most of the time you have to come to this website. I mean all the time, intune.microsoft.com, because we are going to manage devices and application. So intune.microsoft.com. Sorry, intune.microsoft.com. And you have to use the same account, same email address to log into this log into these three websites. This is your Intune website. In here you have devices. So all the devices which you are going to manage is going to show up here. So right now we don't have any device. That's the reason it is blank. 0, Linux 0, Mac 0, Windows 0. Okay. So as soon as you start enrolling the devices, you will be able to see the number of devices here. Okay. Clear, everyone so far?
Yeah.
Can you bring it little down, Ahmed? This website. Can you bring it little down?
I'm trying. The mouse is locked, so
Try now.
Correct?
Yeah. Give me control, please. So three websites are there. Okay. So the first website is your admin.microsoft.com. Second is the database website, wherein it is basically for authentication. Whenever you or your employees entering the username and password, so it gets authenticated from this website. And the last one is your Intune. Okay, intune.microsoft.com. Now, so let's minimize this. Point number 4 is create your employees account. Now you need to create your employees account. Let's assume that you have started this company, okay, and you have taken license. Now you are going to hire some employees. You know, some of them will be from HR team, some of them will be from finance, some of them will be from sales, some of them will be from IT. So you are going to hire your employees, right? So when you hire your employees, you create their accounts in the database. Okay. So what is the database? Admin.microsoft.com, right? Sorry, entra.microsoft.com. So we'll come to entra.microsoft.com. This is our database, which contains your username and your device information, your user information, your security groups and all. Right now we have only one account, and that is Hamid. Now, in case if you have to create account one by one manually, then you choose this option, new user. Okay. So I'm going to show you this method. Plus, we will use the bulk operation. Bulk operation is for if you have like hundreds of users to create account using bulk operation, you can do that. So I'm going to show you this method, new user and create new user. Okay. Suppose you hired one employee and his name is Kashif. Okay. User principal name. So that is going to be his email address. Wait a minute. Before we create, let's go back. Now the domain name, what we have. Now the domain name what we have is this one, inttrn68.onmicrosoft.com. Okay, let me go back to admin.microsoft.com. In admin.microsoft.com, as you see, domain is inttrn68.onmicrosoft.com. That's the domain. If you're okay to use this domain, that's okay. Otherwise, you can purchase your own domain. Like you can have a custom domain wherein this we will not be using this one. We will be using our custom domain. Okay, so at the left hand side, when you come to show all, let me go to show all, and inside show all you have a setting. As you see, setting, and inside setting you have domains. So right now we have this domain called inttrn68.onmicrosoft.com. Who has given this domain? Microsoft has given this domain. Okay, now generally in production environment we will not be using this domain. Why we will use this domain? Because this is a Microsoft domain. We will be using our custom domain. For example, HCL private limited company, they will not be using some kind of this kind of domain. They will be using their custom domain like hcl.com or google.com or yahoo.com, right? So company will always be using their personal domain rather than Microsoft domain. Do you have any domain? Have you purchased any domain, Hamid?
No.
Okay. If you have purchased the domain, then you can add the domain here, which says add domain. Otherwise, you can purchase a new domain. So I would suggest, this step is not mandatory. If you want to skip this one, that's okay. But if you would like to purchase, then find out the cheapest one, which will cost you less than $1. Less than
Okay.
$1. So let's see if that is available or not. So from where we can take the domain? We can take the domain from any domain registrar. The most common is this one, GoDaddy. GoDaddy. GoDaddy is a domain registrar website from where you can purchase your domains. Now, for example, I'm gonna search um, let's see, hamidintune.com. So that domain is available, saying 0.01 for first year and you pay 49.99 today. No, this is expensive, right? We need only for 1 year. We don't need it for 3 years. Okay, 1 minute. Let me click on don't miss out and view card. But I need only for 1 year. How much we have to pay? $11. No, it's expensive. Okay, we don't need this one. Let's try something else. Same thing. $14. Okay. $1. $4. 0.99. What is this one? 0.99. Okay. If you scroll down, you get some other options. Okay, Intune.net first year only with 3 terms. Okay, 0.99. Okay, let's see this one, 0.99. Hamid Intune.xyz. Let me choose this one. View card. So we don't need this one, right? Hamid Intune, because it's expensive. Let me delete this one. Huh. And we need only for 1 year. You see this one, Hamid Intune.xyz. So it is gonna charge you 0.99. Okay, less than $1. But when you click on continue, it might add the taxes, so it will go around 1.2 or $1.5. Is that okay, Hamid, to take it? Hmm?
Did you ask me something, Kasha? Sorry.
Okay, so this is gonna charge you 0.99. Okay,
Yeah,
less
yeah,
than
go on.
$1. But it will add the taxes, so it will go
No
around
problem.
$1.5 maybe. Let's click
No
on
problem.
continue to cart. You will have to use your continue with the Gmail. The first one.
Yeah.
Let's see, continue. So how much it's gonna cost you? Let's see. No domain protection. I don't need any domain protection. Okay. Okay, so we don't need anything. No professional email. We don't need any professional email. Okay. Continue to cart. So for 1 year, make sure you choose for 1 year. Okay. And 0.99. No. Okay. Ready to check out.
So it renews automatically, right? Every year.
Yes, you will, but we will cancel that one as well. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is gonna cost you no taxes, Hamid. Without any tax, 0.99. This is the cheapest one. And the domain name is hamidintune.xyz, I think. Right? That's the
Yeah.
domain. Now you have to stop sharing
Uh,
and
Kashif,
enter these details.
after 1 year, it will be charged, auto charged, or we
Yeah,
need
it
to
will.
just send and
Hamid, stop sharing and then do it. Um, After 1 year, it will auto charge. So you will have to cancel the auto renew option. Okay.
okay, yeah, got it.
But this is not mandatory. If you don't want to take domain, that's okay. You can skip that one. But I'm trying to simulate it as a production environment. In production environment, we always take domain, right? We always go with domain. If somebody joins your organization, let's say your organization name is ABC Private Limited. So you have to give the email address like kashif at ABC Private Limited or abc.com. If you give like kashif at inttrn68 dot on microsoft.com, it's they will be confusing, right? So better you go with domain. Amit, you need to share your screen once you are done.
Sure, almost there.
Mhm. Oh, they added the taxes? Mm,
Yeah.
okay. So this is your domain, Hamid Intune .xyz. Click on continue. Okay, so let's update your business information. So Hamid Intune. So here it says Intune Training. Okay, continue. So basically, it's gonna publish your a website as well. Okay, and the website address is gonna be hamidintune.xyz, and that's building your website like this. Okay, that's okay. We'll publish that website. It's free of cost. So we don't have to pay anything. So your website is also ready. Okay. Now the next thing is we have to cancel the auto renew, right? So, so before we create employee account, so purchase our domain. Point number 5 is cancel auto renew. Okay, cancel auto renew. So how will you cancel auto renew? For I think we have to come to domain here. Okay, yeah, auto renew is on, right? Next year it's gonna cost you $21.99. So make sure you turn off auto renew. Continue. Okay, auto renew is off now, so that we will not have to pay anything next year. So your domain is gonna get expired on 20th of June 2026. Okay, so this is the domain, Hamid Intune .xyz. Similarly, you guys also can take domains, um, and make sure you cancel the auto renew. Okay, we'll stop right here because it will take some time to create account. So tomorrow when we meet, we will create our account on this one. So this is the domain what we have, Hamid Intune .xyz. That's the domain we have purchased. Okay, Hamid, what you do, you send this on WhatsApp group, the group which we have created. Okay, so I created one
God.
WhatsApp group yesterday and
Mm-hmm.
added you guys in. Okay, so send this
Okay.
um, notes in the WhatsApp group, and I'll be sharing the recording just like I shared the yesterday's recording in that WhatsApp group.
God, because you said tomorrow we have a class, or that was just Friday. Tomorrow's Friday.
Today is Friday here. Tomorrow we don't
Oh,
have
for
any
you guys,
class.
yes.
tomorrow and day after tomorrow, we don't have any class. Okay,
Yeah.
we will meet on Monday. Okay,
Sunday for US and Monday Monday for India time.
yeah, so the next class, India time, it's gonna be Monday, 6 a.m. Okay, and US time, it's gonna be Sunday evening for you.
Yeah.
Sunday, 8:30 p.m. EST. Okay,
Okay, no class tomorrow. Thanks.
no class tomorrow and day after tomorrow.
Okay, perfect. Thank you very much.
Any question from anyone before we wrap it up?
Thank you,
No
Kash.
questions on mine. Thank you.
Okay, guys. So, those who have not enrolled to the session, kindly do the enrollment today itself so that you will be part of this training session from next session onwards, and I'll be adding you to the WhatsApp group as well. Okay.
Yeah, Kashif, I've texted you. I've sent you a text. You just get back to me, then I can take it from there. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah,
I'll
thank
reply you.
you. Okay.
I'll be sharing the recording on that WhatsApp group. Okay. Okay, guys. We'll meet on Monday morning, 6 a.m. India time. Bye now. Bye, everyone.
Bye. Thank you.